So latest generation Range Rover Sport P510. This is the second one that we've had in this week for various upgrades. We've installed the latest security with the Autowatch Ghost 2, and we've done the latest Blackvue LTE cameras with a battery pack in this one. We have just posted another video of one of these on our YouTube channel, but I thought this one was so nice it was worthy having another video just to show what we can do here at TTW Installations. So I'll just go through and just show you what we've actually done. I'll start at the back of the car. So I'll just pop the boot. So in terms of here, I've got rear camera, which is now situated just there at the back. As you can see, no dangling wires or anything in there, just nice and neat in there with the actual camera itself, as you can see. The battery pack itself we've installed underneath in the boot area. I can't really show you because I can't hold the camera and lift at the same time because it's quite heavy, but there will be some photos with regards to that on our Instagram and Facebook. And then I'll just show you in here. It's only done 100 miles, this particular car, so if you've not seen inside one of these yet, I'll just do a quick view. Lovely Alcantara roof lining in there. Obviously you can just see the rear camera just at the back there, and then obviously the latest generation interface in here. And then we've got your camera, which is basically just there. I'll just take a drop back, and then you can obviously just see what it'd be situated, but obviously from the driver's perspective you won't physically see the camera from there at all. So if you've got one of the new latest generation Range Rovers and you need it firstly and most importantly securing, then please come to TTW Installations, as well as obviously fitting the latest Blackvue dash camera range.